Ashon Andrews comes away with a pack. Comes out of the pack
Wow.
rather. Mark Cruz for free. And those multiple shot opportunities. 2 segundo na lang sa shot clock. Oh, Gabo!
Wow!
Outsmarting the Zamboanga Sikat. Throwing it at the back of his defender.
Ibang klase Hesed Gabo.
So just the basketball IQ off the charts. Hesed Gabo. Andrews against Cornilos. Turns around, cut by Larry Rodriguez. Sidestep beauty from Kuya Larry. He's been the engine of this offense. But Eusebio throws it away. Paeng Ari, bounce pass. Reg Gabat scores over Gabo.
Nice one more.
Gabo, no. Minerva, yes.
Yan yung binibigay siya ni RJ Minerva talaga. Yung
Keeps his dribble alive. Takes the free from the right
Oh,
wing
my.
and makes it. Third triple of the ball game for Anton. Gabo. Muntik ng mag-backcourt. 6 seconds left sa kanilang shot clock. Hesed trying to shake off Paeng Are. Pocket pass na agaw ni Inan Cornilos. Paeng Are, shot fake. Got RJ Minerva out of position and he scores. Tatakbo na naman ang Zamboanga. Reg Gabat. 5-on-4. Gabayni, couple of pump fakes. Can't finish. Baseline inbound. Acuna. Oh, good steal.
yeah.
Kicks it out. Levy Hernandez. Corner
Yeah.
pocket free. Lista mo na yan. This is an important game for Jensen. Sa Zamboanga rin naman, but in terms of placing by Jensen against Abra and Basilan. And let's not forget, as Brandon Wilson ties it up after making the three. Chris Porter has yet to score. Gives it up.
Oh, my.
Open look for Val Acuna. And he hits it from downtown. His first appearance. Brandon Wilson, malakas yung kanyang tres. Ball punto, nakuha yung rebound. Reg Gabat reloads.
Wow.
And hits it from beyond the arc to close out